Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync MetaMask mobile with desktop. It's important to understand that MetaMask doesn't offer a direct, real-time synchronization feature between devices. Instead, you achieve synchronization by restoring your existing wallet on a new device using your secret recovery phrase. This method ensures both your mobile and desktop applications are connected to the exact same set of blockchain accounts and assets. Let's dive into the steps to get this done securely and efficiently. The first crucial step is to retrieve your secret recovery phrase from your existing MetaMask wallet, likely your desktop extension. Open MetaMask in your browser, then click on the account icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings, then Security and Privacy. Here, you'll find the option to reveal secret recovery phrase. After entering your password, your 12-word phrase will be displayed. Write it down precisely, paying close attention to the order of each word. Now, let's move to your mobile device. Download and install the official MetaMask application from your App Store. When you open it for the first time, you'll be presented with options. Choose Import using Secret Recovery Phrase. Carefully input the 12-word phrase you just retrieved from your desktop wallet. Double-check every word for accuracy and correct spelling. Finally, you will be prompted to create a new, strong password specifically for your mobile MetaMask application. This password protects your wallet on that device. Once the import is complete, take a moment to verify that all your accounts, tokens, and transaction history are correctly displayed on your MetaMask mobile app. This confirms successful synchronization. Remember, your secret recovery phrase is the master key to your wallet. Never share it with anyone, under any circumstances. Store it offline in a secure, private place, like a safe or a locked drawer. Losing this 12-word phrase means permanent loss of access to all your digital assets.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.